welcome to Garden Guitar Dayseeker. It's a song called Crying While You Are Dancing. Okay, have you tried that? Yeah, me too actually. Alright, let's do this together. We have the capo set here on the 4th fret, and with that we have 5 different chords. Let's look at the chords first, like we usually do. So G first, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have the D F chord, that is a D but with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E. Then I mute the A with my finger I'm using here on the E string. And just lean on top here. Sounds like that. Next D, open. Then 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have a B minor chord next. That's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string down. So 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. You put your finger there and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then we have the final chord, the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have the chords G, A, the D, F, the B minor, and the E minor. Okay, so grab that G first. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern. Could be a little tricky for some, perhaps. Takes a while to get used to it. I think this is the best way to go. You get the right feeling and sound for the song. All right, so grab that G. One round will be up, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, so like this. That's one round in slow motion. So starting with up, up, clap. Here you don't have to go all the way up like this. You don't have time, and it's yeah, it doesn't sound that good either. So just turn your wrist like this and do a clap. And then comes the down, up, down, down. Okay, so and then you finish off with clap down. So all in all will be up, up, clap, down, clap, down. Like this. Okay, so a couple rounds of G will be okay, so that's it. Let's do this. Now we have the chord progression for verse 1. You will play 1 strumming round of G, then 1 strumming round for B minor, then 1 for the D F. Sorry, 1 G, 1 A, 1 B minor, and 1 D F. Okay, so that's the chord progression and nothing else. So G, A, B minor, and F. You play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that is your first verse. Then comes the first pre-chorus. Okay, here you will play just 1 down for the following chords: G, A, B minor, the D F, then E minor, and then A. All right. And that takes us to the first chorus in the lyrics, crying while you're dancing. So there we have it. You're gonna play the same strumming pattern, G 1 time, A 1 time, D, F 1 time, and B minor 1 time. So change there in the end. Instead of B minor, D minor, then B minor, D, F, like in the verse, you turn it and play the D, F, and B minor instead. All right, play that chord progression for 2 rounds. And you're playing the first chorus. That takes us to the second verse. It starts in the same way. It's 2 rounds of the same chords, G, A, B minor, and D, F. The first 2 chords, the G and A, you'll just play 1 down and then you fulfill the first strum with strumming and play another round of the strumming. So in total, 2 chord progression rounds, but the first 2 chords just 1 down. Second pre-chorus, you just play 1 down on G, 1 down on A, 1 down on E minor, and 1 down on A. That's it. That takes us to the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one, and then right after comes an instrumental solo. We will not cover that here on Gordon guitar. It's just too much and doesn't give you that much back, so we'll skip that part, and then immediately goes over to the third pre-chorus. Play 1 down for the following chords: G, A, B minor, and D, F. And that's the third pre-chorus. Final part left, the third chorus. You will play 2 strumming rounds, not strumming rounds actually, 2 rounds with 1 down per chord. And you will do that for the following chords: G, A, D, F, and B minor. Alright, so 1 down per chord, and that is how Dayseeker's Crying While You're Dancing ends. Alright guys, thank you for watching, play tuned.